What are smart variables in secondary labs? When you create a campaign, you'll see initial message and the follow-up section here. Now, while crafting the initial message, you see an option to add variable. Now, these are smart variables. You see some options like my name, company name, or prospect name, profile related, post related, and something about industry. Now, how it works. While you craft your message, for example, here, just saw your recent post on, and we gave a smart variable here. What it does, your second brain will scan some of the recent posts of the prospect. And from there, it will try to find out some of the trigger points of the prospect based on their recent post. And it will automatically get inserted to this initial message. My name gets replaced with your sender profile name. Company name is your prospect's company name in which currently they're working. Prospect name is the name of the prospect. Profile related, it's something when your initial message talks about some of their profile related activities. Post related scans some of the recent post and gets a trigger and replaces that in the initial message. Industry is when we want to talk about some industry related in our initial message. For example, if I write hi and I want to make it personalized by using their name, I can just click prospect name. So it sounds like hi prospect name, which will get replaced when this actually gets sent to your prospect. Just saw your recent post on. Now this variable replaces based on the trigger points that we get. What's magical here, we can also insert some more words inside the variable. For example, I want the model to add something here, but it should be related to B2B only. What I can do here, I can just click here and write post related to B2B. So what it will do, it will only insert the phrases which matches something related to B2B. This helps your initial message to be hyper personalized before sending to the prospect. You may use as many smart variables given here in your initial message. For example, now here if you see, I have used 4 smart variables into my initial message. Now as the limits are 250 characters, I can just refine it and make it under 250 characters. Now here you see, we have made the initial message using smart variables. What it does, when this will be sent to your prospect, these smart variables will be smartly replaced with the actual trigger points based on the particular prospect. This is how you can make your initial message hyper personalized as much as possible and get your maximum rewards and conversions out of secondary labs.